Okay, everyone. So yesterday was sunscreen day, May 27th. I should have done this post yesterday, but I didn't. So here's my beef. You cannot be diluting your SPF. You cannot be diluting it into your moisturizer. You cannot be doing this. This is not okay. You cannot be mixing it with your foundation. You cannot be doing this. SPF, foundation, yep, mix. Woo, it's less white. You cannot be doing that. It drives me bonkers. The latest one that's here above is someone who took their Living Libations SPF and mixed it in with their makeup. Like, are you kidding me? Are you applying that everywhere? Do we understand that if you do that, it's diluting the power of the SPF? So you think that you're getting 30, but you're actually not, because you just cut it with another product. This is just crazy. Please don't do it.